Welcome back to Top 5 Tray. Today we're reviewing the Razer Basilisk V3, a wired gaming mouse known for its ergonomic grip, smart scroll wheel, and deep customization. With its price often dipping below $40 in deals, it looks like a strong contender. But does it hold up in real use? Let's dive in. Reminder, all linked gear is down in the description. Check it out if you want to grab one yourself. The Basilisk V3 is a right-handed ergonomic mouse with a built-in thumb rest and textured side grips designed for palm grip users. It measures about 5.1 times 2.4 times 1.7 inches and weighs around 101 grams, offering a comfortable balance without feeling too heavy. The outer shell is made from matte black plastic with a braided USB cable. The front features two main buttons framing a tall rubberized scroll wheel, and there's a dedicated square sniper button beside your thumb, replacing the removable paddle from older models. Under the hood is Razer's Focus Plus optical sensor, capable of up to 26,000 DPI, tracking speeds of 650 IPS and 99.6% accuracy. This makes it both precise and fast, ideal for esports or casual play. It also supports surface calibration and liftoff tuning via Razer Synapse software, allowing you to fine-tune performance for different surfaces. One of the Basilisk V3's signature features is the Hyperscroll Tilt Wheel. It has tactile notches for precise scrolling, a free spin mode for fast navigation, and horizontal tilt action. But the real standout is the Smart Reel feature. Using Synapse software, the mouse can detect your scroll speed and automatically switch from clicky to free spin mode. Some reviews say this is helpful for productivity. That said, some users call it overly sensitive, with accidental mode switches during games. The Basilisk V3 has 11 programmable buttons, including side buttons, scroll wheel tilt, sniper DPI clutch, and profile switch. Using Synapse, you can remap buttons, make macros, adjust up to 5 DPI stages, and create custom lighting effects across 11 RGB zones. Synapse also lets you save settings in onboard memory or cloud storage and enables hypershift mode so buttons can have alternate functions. RGB lighting covers the wheel, logo, and underglow strip, fully customizable via chroma. In real-world use, the shape suits medium to large hands well. Reviewers say it's excellent for long gaming sessions. The sensor reliably tracks on various surfaces. Many users like the Smart Reel wheel for productivity tasks like scrolling through long documents, but competitive gamers report issues. Wheel switches modes mid-game or feels loose. Some Reddit posts mention scroll wheel or button failures after months of use, sometimes requiring multiple replacements, but others report owning it for years with no issues. Fragile side coatings may wear over time. Customer support experiences vary. Some users were pleased, others found it slow. Synapse is powerful, but not available on Mac OS. Windows users enjoy deep customization, but some caution that updates can be buggy. A Reddit thread even suggests uninstalling Synapse if problems arise. Strengths include an ergonomic, comfortable shape with palm rest and side grips, precise Focus Plus sensor with high DPI and IPS, hyperscroll wheel with Smart Reel and tilt support, 11 customizable buttons and full RGB zones, onboard memory, profiling, and Synapse customization, and great value, often on sale around $40 US. Weaknesses include a scroll wheel that may be overly sensitive or loose in some units, build quality inconsistencies, some units fail after months, Synapse software only on Windows and can have bugs, and no left-handed or right-hand flip for thumb button. The Razer Basilisk V3 delivers strong performance and smart features at a mid-range price, especially when discounted. It's a compelling pick if you want customization, ergonomic comfort, and innovative scroll features. Just be aware, the scroll wheel may be hit or miss, and quality control varies. If you prioritize reliability under competition, consider alternatives like the Logitech G502 or Basilisk V2. But if you're after versatility and value, it's a solid choice for many gamers. If this review helped you, give it a like. New here? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You deserve the best. Out of your top 5 tech decisions this week, this one should be up there. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time. Peace out.